Good morning to all of you. I'm Seema Saraswat from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Jalali. Today our topic is nutrition in animals. This is for class 7 and chapter 2. Today we are going to learn about the human digestive system. It consists of buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine ending in rectum and anus. These all combining together and form the alimentary canal. You can see the digestive system of human beings: mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, appendix, rectum, and anus. Now, the process. Nutrition is a complex process involving 5 steps, and complete process is known as holozoic process. Ingestion means taking food inside. Digestion, absorption, assimilation, and excretion. So first we are going to take the mouth and the buccal cavity. Ingestion. It is the process of taking in of food and is chewed with the help of teeth. Salivary glands in the mouth secrete saliva, and saliva helps in breaking carbohydrate, that is starch, into simple sugars. Tongue help in mixing saliva with the food during chewing and also help in swallowing food. Tongue has taste buds that detect different taste of food. So type of teeth in humans, we are having 4 type of teeth: premolars, canine, incisor, and molars. Just you can see the position also. This is the incisor, canine, premolars, and molars. Tongue having different taste buds. You can see the position of taste bud: sweet taste bud, salty, sour, and bitter. The food pipe or esophagus. The swallowed food passes into food pipe or esophagus. The walls of the food pipe pushes the food downward by the movement of muscles in it. That movement is known as peristaltic movement. By that, food is going in downward direction. It will not go again in forward direction. Only it will go in a downward direction. Food then reaches into the stomach. The stomach is U-shaped bag-like structure. It is the widest part in the digestive system. It receives food from the food pipe. The inner wall of stomach secrete mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. Mucus protect the lining of stomach. Hydrochloric acid kill the bacteria and provide the acidic medium. Hydrochloric acid make the medium acidic, and digestive juices break down protein into simpler substance. Next is the small intestine. Name is the small intestine, but it is larger than large intestine. It is highly coiled and about 7.5 meter long. It receives food from stomach, and it also receives secretion from liver, bile juice, pancreas, pancreatic juice, and its own walls. Liver is the largest gland. It is reddish brown in color, and it secretes bile juices which is stored in a sac called gallbladder. Bile helps in digestion of fats. You can see the gallbladder and liver. Pancreas is cream colored gland located just below the stomach. Pancreatic juices break carbohydrate, fats, and protein and change them into simpler forms. Carbohydrate convert into glucose, fats convert into fatty acid and glycerol, and protein convert into amino acid. Partly digested food then reaches to the lower part of small intestine. Intestinal juices complete the digestion of all component of food. You can see the villi are the small finger-like outgrowth in the inner wall of a small intestine, which increase the surface area, and villi has blood vessels in them. Now, absorption: the digested food is then absorbed by the villi surface, and blood vessels present in villi will help to transport the absorbed food to different organs of the body. Next is the assimilation. The absorbed food reaches to different organs of the body and is then used to make proteins. This process is called as assimilation. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed enter into the large intestine. Large intestine is wider and smaller than large intestine. Smaller than small intestine, it is about 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb water and some salts from undigested food material. Remaining waste product passes into rectum and is called as feces. Isation. The fecal matter is removed through the anus by the process known as isation. So just you can see the various part of the large intestine. Thank you all. I hope you have understood. Stay safe, stay healthy.